2025, time to upgrade your lighting game. Today, we're unboxing the IKEA TRÅDFRI LED 806mm Smart Bulb, a budget-friendly, color-changing LED light that works with your smart home setup. Let's see if it's really worth it. Here's what you get in the box: the TRÅDFRI 806 Lumens bulb. It's a standard even size, works with most lamp holders, and has a smooth matte finish. The bulb is LED, so it's energy efficient and long-lasting. 806 Lumen enough for bedrooms, workspaces, or even mood lighting in your living room. Installation is super simple, just screw it into your lamp or ceiling fixture like any other bulb. Now to control it, you'll need either the IKEA Decor hub or pair it with the IKEA Home Smart app. Once connected, you can change brightness, color, temperature, and even switch between RGB colors from your phone. This is the fun part. TRÅDFRI supports full color control. Want a cozy evening? Switch to warm white. Need focus light? Choose cool white. Want party vibes? Go red, blue, green. You can set scenes like relax, work, or movie night with just one tap. And yes, you can dim the light too. TRÅDFRI works with Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, and even Apple HomeKit if set up. You can just say, "Hey Google, set the light to blue," and boom, done. And you can create routines like good morning or bedtime where the lights turn on/off automatically. Easy setup. Affordable smart lighting.